Oh my gosh.
Get back here. You're too close.
Jessica!
Jessica.
Holy moly, that road is
How? I don't understand.
Gosh.
This doesn't my brain can't comprehend.
I feel like we should not walk there, children. Oh, pretty.
Casey.
Taking a picture of this.
Casey, stop that.
Wait, watch out, Casey.
I just want to see what the
Holy.
road is made of.
Cement. I don't understand.
See, I don't get that either. So I get more. It's like wobbly.
That'd be really scary.
Have you been down there yet?
Not yet.
Oh my gosh.
That one that you're on!
I don't think, was it actually Chicken Little?
You look like a chicken.